After Assam, Arunachal Pradesh and Meghalaya, it's now Tripura. Protests against the proposed Citizenship Amendment Bill seem to be gaining momentum in Tripura, with the opposition Indigenous Nationalist Front of Tripura carrying out a dawn-to-dusk blockade. Vehicular and rail movement in the state were disrupted following the 12-hour blockade called by the INFT. Activists of the INFT in large numbers took to the streets demonstrating against the bill. The protesters blocked several major highways that connects capital city Agartala by burning tires and placing huge logs on the road. Not only the highways, rail services to and from Agartala were also completely disrupted following the blockade in multiple locations of Barmura and Athuramura hill ranges in Khowai and Dhalai districts. However, emergency services vehicles were exempted from the purview of the blockade. The 12-hour blockade was carried out by the INFT, demanding immediate rollback of the proposed Citizenship Amendment Bill. With inputs from Sudeep Nath in Agartala and Zahir Akram in Guwahati, this is Amrita for Northeast Live.